All right, number 74 on page 588, another one that's a little just kind of different. It says find the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C. Hint, first use the addition formula to find the tangent of A plus B. Well, I know the measure of angle C. The measure of angle C is equal to 45 degrees, or let's go, degrees or radians, it doesn't matter. So I guess, well, I'm not really sure where this hint comes in, but maybe it'll come in a little bit later. But basically, if I wanted to find B, I could use trigonometry, you know, the right triangle trig. This triangle here has B in it, so the tangent of B is equal to 1 over 2. Problem is I can't find this angle in exact form. That's the problem. And then the tangent of A, similarly, I should say similarly, and whatever. But again, I can't find measure of angle A either. So tangent, okay, so now I'm getting a little bit stuck. Okay, I guess that's where the hint comes in, right? I know C. I don't really need to find A and B separately. What I need to find is A plus B. So I'm thinking the way this is going to play out is this hint is telling us, go ahead and find the tangent of A plus B, and then maybe we can find out what the sum is, even though I can't find out what the individual angles are. So yeah, I needed that hint anyway. Well, the tangent of A plus B, using our identity, is the tangent of A plus the tangent of B over 1 minus the tangent of A times the tangent of B. Just plug those values in. 1/3 plus 1/2 over 1 minus 1/3 times 1/2. Let's clean this up. 2 over 2, 3 over 3. Multiply this by 6 over 6. So on the top I have 2 plus 3, which is 5, 6, over. On the bottom I have 6 minus 1, which is 5, 6. Ooh. So what this is telling us is that the tangent of A plus B is equal to 1. Well, that is a known tangent ratio. See, where these were not known tangent ratios, this one is. We know that, well, basically we're going to be solving these equations a little later, and we're going to find that there's an infinite number of angles that have a tangent ratio of 1. But because these are angles between 0 and 90, this is the one I want. So A plus B, that angle that gives me a ratio of 1 is 45 degrees, or pi fourths. So if C is 45 degrees and A plus B is 45 degrees, then that means the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is simply 90 degrees. So those two things, those three angles combine to give you a 90 degree measure. Okay?